Ladies and gentlemen, as difficult as 2015 has been for us, 2016 and 2017 will continue to be challenging for Petronas. We are planning our projections based on Brent price at $30 a barrel for this year and must embrace ourselves for the corresponding impact to our financial performance. As was the case in 2015, our cash flow from operations this year will not be able to cover the remaining capex and our 16 billion ringgit dividend commitments. Not only will we need to utilize our cash reserves, but we may need to raise some borrowings. The outlook is challenging, and we are bracing ourselves for continued challenges over the next 2 years.